Mastering modal verbs. Redrafting sentences like a pro. Hello, English language learners. Today, we're going to dive deeper into the fascinating world of English grammar. Our focus for today will be on modal verbs for advice, specifically on how to rewrite sentences using different modal verbs. By the end of this video, you'll be able to switch between modal verbs with ease and provide advice in a variety of ways. Let's get started. Before we delve into the exercise, let's do a quick refresher on modal verbs for advice. These are verbs we use when giving advice or making suggestions. Common modal verbs for advice include should, ought to, had better, and could. For instance, you should exercise regularly. You ought to eat healthy food. You had better get enough sleep. You could try meditating for stress relief. Keep in mind, these modal verbs carry different levels of strength and formality. Now that we've refreshed our understanding of modal verbs for advice, let's look at how to rewrite sentences using these verbs. To do this, you need to 1. Understand the context of the sentence. 2. Identify the modal verb used in the sentence. 3. Determine the alternative modal verb you wish to use. 4. Rewrite the sentence while keeping the original meaning intact. Now, let's put theory into practice. Here are a few sentences for you to rewrite using different modal verbs for advice. 1. You should consider going to college. 2. He ought to quit smoking for his health. 3. They had better finish the project on time. 4. You could try a new hobby to kill time. Let's discuss possible ways to rewrite these sentences. Remember, there can be more than one correct answer. 1. You ought to consider going to college. 2. He should quit smoking for his health. 3. They should finish the project on time. 4. You had better try a new hobby to kill time. Again, the point is not to change the meaning but to familiarize yourself with different modal verbs and how they can be interchanged. Well done on making it through these exercises. I hope this video has been helpful in boosting your confidence in using modal verbs for advice. Remember, practice is key to mastering these skills, so keep trying out different sentence constructions with various modal verbs. Thank you for joining me today, and as always, keep up the fantastic work in your English learning journey.